everyone, today I'll be covering magnetic field and force. Magnetic field is the area in which a moving charge experiences a magnetic force. It's caused by moving electrical charges. Its variable is B and its units are Teslas. And the most important equation you need to know is Ampere's law, or B is equal to mu naught I over 2 pi r. The right-hand rule for a magnetic field helps you find the direction of it, and you first point your thumb in the direction of your current, and then curl your fingers towards the wrist, which is the direction of your magnetic field. So using the Y from earlier, you point your thumb to the right, because that's the direction of your current. And you'll notice that your fingers are going through your screen. Well, you denote the magnetic field going out of your screen with a dot and going into your screen with an X. Magnetic force is the force a moving charge experiences in a magnetic field. So it's represented by the equation F is equal to Q times V cross B, or QVB sine theta. And what that means is if you have a magnetic field pointing into the page, for example, and the proton moving to the right, when it enters the magnetic field with that velocity, it will experience a force perpendicular to both the velocity and magnetic field vectors, or straight up. Keep in mind that speed of the charge doesn't change as force is perpendicular to velocity, and the charge moves in uniform circular motion. The right-hand rule for magnetic force is useful for finding the direction of it. So you first point your pointer in the direction of the velocity, and then point your middle finger in the direction of the magnetic field, which would be perpendicular. Then you point your thumb in the direction of the magnetic force, which is perpendicular to both fingers. So using the example from earlier, you want to point your pointer to your right, point your middle finger into your screen, and then point your thumb upwards. And finally, the equation for magnetic force and current in a wire is F is equal to ILB sine theta. Thank you guys for watching.